down the bass, me the
Viewers and subscribers, greetings, love and respect from near device and the No One Connection Entertainment. Big up all of my loyal supporters who stay tuned to the channel. Only for respect and love and know the thing go. And all who not subscribe yet, do it now and click the notification bell to get the latest updates at all times. Now people, breaking news just in. Dancehall entertainer Laden receives 4-year sentence for illegal possession of firearm. People, very sad. We have it all coming up. Remember, like the video, share the video, subscribe, support the movement. One connection or no connection. Dancehall entertainer Laden has been sentenced to 4 years for illegal possession of a firearm. He has also been sentenced to 18 months for illegal possession of ammunition. Both sentences will run concurrently, which means the artist will serve 4 years in total. Laden, whose given name is Akif Aarons, was sentenced today in the Black River Parish Court in St. Elizabeth before Justice Evan Brown. The entertainer had pleaded guilty to the offense earlier this month following an incident late October. The entertainer and 2 other men were facing charges of illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition. The 2 other men were freed when the artist pleaded guilty and took responsibility for the illegal firearm which was seized by the police. Allegations are, on October 28, Laden and both men were in a black Mercedes-Benz, which was signaled to stop by the police in St. Elizabeth. According to the police, Laden, who was driving the motor vehicle, disobeyed the order to stop and attempt to escape. The police pursued the entertainer's vehicle, and during the chase, an object was observed being thrown from the motor vehicle. When the police caught up with the vehicle, the occupants were taken to the site where the object was thrown from the car. The area was searched and a pistol recovered. Laden is known for songs including Time to Shine and Never Lonely. Now people, judge I know. Just like that, 4 years out of the artist's life for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. And once again, them thing ain't pay. People, them thing ain't pay. We see where them thing a bring way. Literally, we see what them thing I bring way. No good no night, no bright side no night. The musician them, the artist them, the celebrity them, people in general, all of my Jamaican brother them, I want to know what my eyes and my ears and listen with no brain. No good, no inner it, no bright side, no inner it, no win, no inner it. Either we're dead or we got prison for it. I swear. Remember, like the video, share the video, subscribe, support the movement. One connection or no connection.